sustained attention is something that's very tricky. And for adults, especially moms, your brain is going in 100 different, do they have this? Do they have that? Oh, wait, did I make sure dinner is prepared? Oh, I have this meeting tonight, right? And so being able to have time to just focus on one thing, you have to limit all of the distractions. And that is the same for any kid too. Making sure you have breaks for kids. They need to move their body. The more they can move the body, the more they're going to be able to have attention. So those big projects, okay, you have 2 weeks to do this big project, all right? If you save it to the end, you're not going to be able to complete that. You're going to have anxiety. You're going to shut down. You're not going to have as much motivation to do it. We're going to chunk it up. We're going to help you manage your time. So today is learning styles, and as a teacher and as a mom, it's really important to know what your kid's learning style is, because anything you produce to them or want them to do or need to advocate for them at school has everything to do with how they learn. When a student comes into my practice or into the school, hands down, this is one of the most important ones for me. I want to know how they learn. So any type of material that I'm giving them is through their learning style, because that's where it's going to make the most progress. So what do you do with all that information? Also, how does it, like if you are trying to help your child with homework and your learning styles are very different, or you're trying to teach your child at home or what have you, your learning styles can make you have a huge buffer, because you're trying to teach in your learning style and your child is like, I don't get that. Like, why are you teaching me like this? This is not working. And it usually causes confrontation. That was big during COVID time when kids were home and having to like have their parents help support them. So we'll get into that too.